Good day. In this video, I will discuss three claims from the ABS-CBN Bandila reports titled Dr. Jose Rizal is not our official national hero. I will also explain whether each claim is a fact or an opinion based on historical records and public belief. Number 1. Jose Rizal is not officially declared as the national hero by law. This is the fact because there is no law or presidential proclaims that officially declares Jose Rizal as the national hero. Number 2. Jose Rizal is recognized as the national hero because of his public belief and tradition. This is a fact because Filipino recognize Rizal as the national hero through education, monuments, Rizal Day, and his work, even without an official law. Number 3. Jose Rizal deserved to be the national hero more than other heroes. This is an opinion because it relies on personal judgment. Although Rizal made significant contribution to the country, choosing who deserves the title of national heroes more than subjective. In conclusion, Rizal is widely accepted as the national hero through public belief, even though no law officially declares it. Some claims about his greatness are fact, while others are opinion. Thank you.